Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And for those of you that did watch the video from Thursday, hopefully you remember me talking about this little kind of point right here, where it's a question of, is that the start of something bigger, or no? We quickly got the answer today. That was just a faulty breakdown, and the price quickly snapped back up and then eventually closed much higher than that area. So the first update that now officially needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting. Now that, that level has, truly been broken to the upside, and this rule is just states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 263, one of the newest areas of support, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line for now. Sure, it's, still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now, but I don't want to risk having clutter and confusion everywhere. Because there's, lines every which way. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So like I said, 262, 263, right around that area, one of the newest areas of support. You also have the purple line there, so it's kind of like a little double whammy area right there, where you have both those areas. If there is any sort of pullback, you would want to see those levels hold. But what's now very intriguing is that this, the price is within striking distance of 272, which I've talked about in the past as a level of resistance, and that it's definitely been confirmed as resistance. You can see that's right where the price got rejected from earlier on in the day. But the point here being is that especially with this nice little, lower shadow here, so that shows that at one point the price was down there, but the price, definitely made a nice power move back to the upside. So that doesn't mean that's necessarily gonna, break above that area next week, but it's definitely within striking distance, like I said. And while not a guarantee, it's a more than a rational thought to have. But at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter when it comes to resistance levels, and what matters the most is, as I've said before, is this right here. As long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher lows like it's been, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue building in the upwards direction, then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing and, enjoy the ride. So very, very nice week, and it'll be interesting to see what next week brings. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.